In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Aliexpress account. Whether you're trying to streamline your online presence, minimize your digital footprint, or simply say goodbye to a service you no longer use, we've got you covered. To help you navigate this process smoothly, I'm going to break it down into simple and clear steps that everyone can follow. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Aliexpress website. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching Aliexpress on your preferred search engine. Once you've reached the home page and any prompts to log in or sign up have been bypassed, we'll move on to the next step. Now that you're on the Aliexpress homepage, it's time to locate your account settings. Look for your profile icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. It's under this menu where you have access to all your personal account settings. This is where Aliexpress allows you to manage your account preferences and ultimately where you'll find the option to delete it. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll see a range of options that pertain to your personal information. The next action is crucial for permanently removing your account from Aliexpress. In this settings page, locate the Personal Information section. This is usually easy to spot and should be labeled clearly. Scroll through this section and you'll notice an option labeled Delete Account. Click this option to begin the process of removing your account from the Aliexpress database. Aliexpress, like many other platforms, may show you a series of prompts. These are often put in place to confirm that you're sure about deleting your account. It's an irreversible action, so make sure you're committed to this decision. Follow these instructions carefully, clicking through any confirmations or warnings that appear on your screen. You might be asked to provide some information, maybe answering a security question or entering a confirmation code sent to your email. These steps are designed to protect your data and ensure only you make such a significant change to your account. Once you've followed all the necessary steps detailed in these prompts, you will receive a final confirmation that your account has been scheduled for deletion or deleted immediately. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the process and your Aliexpress account is now permanently deleted. Remember, removing your account means losing access to all associated data, including your purchase history, saved preferences, and possibly any unused rewards. So always ensure there's nothing you need before completing this process. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to delete your Aliexpress account with all steps clarified for your convenience. Thank you for joining today, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the section below.